Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we are putting together a very special project for Mom. Mother's Day is right around the corner, so it's the perfect time to get your cardstock out, roll up some paper flowers, and make something special for her. So if you want to see how I put this together, just go ahead and keep watching. So what we're going to be using today is just some cardstock. It can be any color that you like. You can even match your nails. I am using this holographic cardstock for some butterflies that I'm going to add on here. This darker orange I am just using because I am going to make another one of these flowers. Otherwise, I'm just keeping it more neutral. This is a little bit more pink, but I just wanted to add just a tiny bit of color in there. So we're just going to keep the rest neutral for the flowers. And then you'll need green cardstock for your leaves. And the last thing that you're going to need is a shadow box. This is an 11 by 14 shadow box that I got from Joanne. It does have the word hope in there, but I'm going to cover that up. And this one just opens up like this. So it's really nice. I really like it. I've been trying to find something to put in here for a while now, so I thought that this would be perfect. So now what we're going to do is we are just going to go into our Cricut design space. I already have this orange flower pulled up right here that I'm going to be doing. I kept this the same size. I just didn't use the leaves on here. So you can just ungroup, cut these out, and then just group this again. I also have these butterflies right here. What I did is I just took the same butterfly, made a duplicate of it, and I just made one smaller than the other. I already have my leaves over here. So I just did two different tones of green, and I'm also going to pull up my other flowers. Ungroup all of these right here. I made these all just one color so that when I go to cut it, I can just put in whatever color cardstock I want, and I don't really have to worry about, the different colors on here. So I just go ahead and make it, for example, we have our two butterflies, and then you just have all these grouped up, which makes it a lot easier, which is why I did my two tones of green. So we're just gonna go back, make sure that everything is in the order that we want it to. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to ungroup these. Just move this to the side because I want to use this for the center of this flower maybe. Just depends on what it looks like when I cut it. So I just want to make sure that my butterflies aren't too big. So I believe if we do 2 by 2, keeping one just a tiny bit bigger than the other. And just go ahead and make it. So I'm starting off with these flowers right here, and for these you're just going to want to grab a stick or whatever it is that you use for these and just fold them in. Just turn this over. And just glue them overlapping like this. For the center of these flowers, I'm just going to use a little jewel like that. So I'll put some glue, just a tiny little dab of glue. Now that we have our flowers all rolled up and ready to go, I'm just gonna move them each to the side. What I'm gonna do is I am going to start with the leaves that we have, but first I'm using these pictures sort of as templates for the ones that I'm actually gonna be using. So I'm just gonna put them like this and just leave a little bit of space so it gives me all of this area to work with. Since this is one of the actual pictures that I'm going to be using, to kind of use it as a guide. When I glue these down, it'll have some of the leaf right here, so I don't mind. So now we're just gonna grab our glue gun. And just work our way through. So The last thing that I am going to do is I have this frosted window cling. Let's see how it works out. Or maybe I could just do it at the bottom. This looks so cute. We have our finished project. The only thing that I'm missing is my 4x6 picture that's gonna go up here. Make sure you guys follow my Instagram so you guys can see the entire project. I love that this window cling just doesn't take away too much from the flowers and everything that we have going on in here. So I hope you guys liked this. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun videos, and we'll see you next time.